If you're thinking about using GetResponse for your landing pages, there are a few things you need to know before making a decision. In this video, we'll walk you through 12 key points that will help you understand if GetResponse is right for you, so make sure to stick around till the end to get the full picture. First up, GetResponse is a well-known player in the landing page software game, but it doesn't stand out quite like some of its competitors, like Lead Pages or Unbounce. While it's certainly reliable, it lacks some of the depth and customization options that Lead Pages offers. Next thing, GetResponse does come with a solid set of templates. It has a variety of designs that are mobile responsive and easy to customize, which is a huge plus if you're looking for something simple to set up. However, if you're really into granular customization, other platforms might give you more flexibility. The third thing you need to know is the ease of use. For beginners, GetResponse is quite user-friendly, thanks to its drag-and-drop editor. But for more experienced marketers, it might feel a bit limiting compared to platforms like ClickFunnels, which offer more advanced features for building comprehensive sales funnels. The fourth thing is the A/B testing feature. GetResponse allows you to test different versions of your landing pages, which is essential for improving conversions. But when compared to some competitors, like Unbounce, GetResponse's A/B testing capabilities are somewhat basic and less in-depth. Moving on to the fifth thing, integration options. GetResponse integrates with a variety of tools, including CRM software and email marketing systems, which makes it a solid choice for those who need a complete marketing solution. However, it's not as seamless as some competitors like Lead Pages, which integrates with more niche tools that can help expand your marketing efforts. The sixth thing is the price. While GetResponse offers a range of plans to suit different budgets, it's a little more expensive than alternatives like MailChimp if you're only looking for a basic landing page builder. If cost is a major factor, you may want to consider these alternatives. Next thing, GetResponse's analytics are quite solid, providing insights into traffic, conversion rates, and other important metrics. But compared to other platforms like Unbounce, the reporting dashboard could feel a bit too simple for users who want more detailed insights and advanced tracking. The eighth thing is its customer support. GetResponse provides 24/7 customer support, which is great, but the quality can vary. Some users report that the support team can be slow to respond, especially when compared to competitors like Lead Pages, which is known for its fast and efficient customer service. The ninth thing to note is the speed of landing page loading. GetResponse pages load fairly quickly, but they're not as fast as some competitors like Instapage, which is designed specifically for optimized landing page performance. The 10th thing is its CRM functionality. GetResponse has a built-in CRM system that helps you manage leads, but it's not as feature-rich as dedicated CRMs like HubSpot. If you need advanced customer relationship management, this could be a limitation. The 11th thing to mention is the automation features. GetResponse offers a solid set of automation tools for sending follow-up emails and nurturing leads, but if you're looking for something more advanced, platforms like ActiveCampaign may provide more complex workflows and automation options. The last thing is the overall value. While GetResponse is a great entry-level landing page builder with a lot of features for beginners, it might not be the best option for advanced marketers or those looking for ultra-specific tools. It is a great all-in-one solution for email marketing and landing pages, but if you're looking for more customization or specialized features, other platforms might be better. So, is GetResponse a good option? Yes, if you're just starting out or need a simple and affordable tool for landing pages and email marketing. However, if you're looking for more advanced features or customization, we recommend trying out another solution. Check out our recommended platform that you can try for free and see if it fits your needs better.